issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Morris County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Bangor, or 14 miles north of Easton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include East Stroudsburg, Hackettstown, Washington, Blairstown, Bangor, Penn Argyll, Belvidere, Harmony, Oxford, Hope, East Bangor, Brass Castle, Stormville, Wary Lake, Greenville, Millbrook, Delaware Water Gap, Long Valley, Great Meadows, Vienna, and Alamucci Panther Valley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 307 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to the large hail and damaging winds, frequent ground-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: in New Jersey, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Monroe and Northampton.